Ontario's Bill 190, the Working for Workers 5 Act, has officially changed the rules for workplace safety and transparency. Compliance is no longer just about doing the work, it's about proving it. Key changes now mandate strict washroom maintenance records, job posting transparency, and expanded protections against virtual harassment for remote teams. For property managers and employers, the risk is real. Non-compliance can lead to fines of up to $100,000. Beyond the fines, a failed audit can trigger operational shutdowns and forced emergency process changes. Remember, you are liable for these standards, even if you outsource to vendors. Manual paper logs are no longer enough. Regulators expect real-time, tamper-proof documentation that is easily accessible to your workers. TourTrax solves this. Our automated digital logging system ensures your business stays compliant, protected, and audit-ready at all times. Don't treat compliance as a paperwork exercise. Stay ahead of the curve. Request a demo today at www.tourtrax.com.